Tashkent isn't simply Uzbekistan's capital city, but rather the thrumming core of Central Asia. Here are some of the best things to do in Tashkent, the preeminent mammoth in a hushed region of the world.
This is the Hastimom mosque from the 16th to 20th century and is one of the main landmarks here in Tashkent, Uzbekistan.
At the heart of Tashkent is the extraordinary Hazrati, named after the legendary scientist, poet, craftsman, and scholar of Quran and Hadith.
Part of the complex here is also this beautiful building behind me called the Kokaldash Madrasah.
The entire complex impressively encompasses Kokaldash Madrasah, Tila Sheikh Mosque, St. Abu Bakr Kafal Shashi Mausoleum, Islamic Institute of Imam Abukhari, and Spiritual Administration of the Muslims of Central Asia. The entrance of Hazrati features intricate wood carving, emblematic of various wood carving schools in Uzbekistan. Inside the Tila Sheikh Mosque is one of the largest mosques in Tashkent. It embodies the winter building's summer yard, dome in the center, and the dome gallery.
What we're seeing in the other room is also the oldest copy of the Quran.
In addition, there's abundant old manuscripts, including the highly celebrated Quran of Caliph Uthman Ottoman, which is made of 353 parchment sheets written during 7th century and has been the key foundation of Islam holy book.
We're now heading into the main bazaar. It's my favorite part.
The main market in Tashkent is Bazaar Chorsu, which is essentially the heartbeat of this bustling city. Bazaars have always played an imperative role among merchants and traders for business, social, and entertainment purposes. Today, Chorsu remains busy under its unchanged blue dome since the 11th century. Fresh meats, aromatic spices, beautiful fruits, and vegetables can be browsed and bought in this lively market.
It is cherry season!
One thing I noticed was how neatly every produce and ingredient was placed on each stall. There's something to be said about beautiful presentation that goes a long way.
Fresh bread, right at the market. Super crispy and super hot. Toasty!
The bakery section is wildly eye-opening with fresh Uzbek breads warmly baked inside traditional tandir, which are clay oven. Chorsu is where local lives make its mark, where customs run deep and flavors pour through genuine human interactions.
This is a 16th century madrasa, which is an educational center.
Next to Chorsu Bazaar is Kokaldash Madrasah, a medieval Islamic school built around 1570 by Shaybanid dynasty's ruler. Yellow brick buildings surrounding a classic courtyard are religious students' dormitories.
Riding the Tashkent metro, there's a lot of art happening in different stations, just like in Moscow.
Riding the metro in Tashkent is not only an integrating experience but an artistic one. Similar to metros in Moscow, the stations in Tashkent are full of architectural marvels. Many stops equate to a memorable landmark all on its own. In 1977, the first line opened as a tribute to the 60th anniversary of USSR and as a city-wide nuclear shelter. Hence, the Uzbek government classified it as a military facility, meaning that photographs weren't allowed until 2018. Each station carries a retro Soviet architectural theme designed by an individual artist and honors cultural heroes, writers, composers, scientists, even natural resources like almonds and cotton. One of the most popular restaurants to taste Uzbekistan's national dish, Pilaf, is at Besh, Qozon. The tasty rice dish consists of carrots and different kinds of meat like beef, lamb, chicken, or horse. It's all prepared together in a giant heated kazan or cauldron. Pilaf is not difficult to love, flavorful, fragrant, and delicious. Timurids History Museum opened in 1996, honoring the 660th anniversary of Amir Timur. The three-story building features more than 5,000 artifacts, ranging from clothing, tools, instruments, jewelry, and paintings that depict Timurid and his descendants with European monarchs.
We're now in Memorial Square, which commemorates all the soldiers who died during the Great War, and the statue is of a mourning mother and an unquenchable flame.
The monument is placed inside a leisure park marked by a statue of a grieving mother mourning the loss of 400,000 Uzbek soldiers in front of a burning flame. It symbolizes the infinity of maternal love. She yearns for the return of her children from war. Another part of the square also lists the name of Uzbek soldiers inside the Book of Memory, framed in gold letters.
Now this is Independence Square, and it celebrates the independence of Uzbekistan.
Formerly known as Lenin Square during Soviet era, Independence Square gained its new name in 1991 once the political status of Uzbekistan had been established. The current-day memorial features 16 marble columns bridged by storks that embody peace and tranquility. Many national events are held in the square, including Uzbekistan Independence Day on September 1st, New Year's Day, and other festive holidays. Conducted in 1994, the bronze monument of Amir Timur, situated in the middle of the park, is a figurine of the leader on a horse, engraved with his iconic motto in 4 languages: "Power is in justice."
This is Magic City. It's an amusement park, very family friendly, with lots of restaurants, cafes, shops, and very colorful architecture.
For a fun day with the entire family, Magic City is where to go, since it's Tashkent's version of Disneyland. Spanning over 21 hectares, the park is where fast rides and colorful boutiques welcome guests of all ages.
Behind me is the Friendship of the Nations Palace.
In 1964, Tashkent encountered a devastating earthquake that destroyed most of the city. People's Friendship Palace is dedication to friendships of people who arrived to aid the reconstruction efforts after the horrible natural disaster. Today, the concert and theater hall can seat over 6,000 people. Subscribe to our channel for more travel content.